Okay, so this is the week 13 physics summary. This week in physics, we kind of went over questions about anything else we wanted to know about physics. So we did some of that in class, and we also got a chance to kind of finalize our group work and go over the stuff in groups and kind of see how we were going to present our material. We came up with our group names, which were awesome. Some of the character names. So it's going to be I think it's going to be a nice video we're going to put out this time. And also this week took the particle physics quiz, which was not bad. And also answered some of the questions from Digital Nation. And this thing, I mean, I never really thought about this and the effects of technology and the effects it is going to have on the younger generation. Um, I'm kind of not, I use technology, but I'm not so dependent on it. Like, I'm not on my phone constantly. I'm not looking, oh, every time somebody texts, I got to check it immediately. So, but I can see how my son is affected with technology. I mean, he loves it. I mean, all he wants to do is Facebook and YouTube, and outside of those, he can barely navigate. If I ask him to do searches on other things, it's kind of a challenge. But if I ask him to do something on Facebook or find something on YouTube, he's a genius. So I can kind of see how they can get a one-track mind on some of the stuff that they use technology for, and it's going to be up to parents, teachers, and other resources to kind of let the younger generation know how they should properly use technology and how they shouldn't let technology consume them and how they shouldn't be so dependent on it. So, I mean, this digital nation was very interesting, and it's not just affecting us in the U.S. I think it's affecting everyone around the world. Um, so that was that. And also, just a little bit trying to get contacts. Oh my God. So, Palo Verde nuclear plant. I had to call one person, left them a message, then I sent the email to this guy, and then finally, I got a call from this guy named Chuck Emmett. So we're crossing our fingers, and hopefully we can go on the 25th. He said he's going to give me a call the night before to let us know, if we're still on, because it's a possibility that he might have jury duty on that same day. So I'm just crossing my fingers and hoping that he'll be all free and clear, and we'll finally get to go to the Palo Verde Education Center. Because as you know, they don't actually take people to the nuclear plant because I guess that would be some type of problem or something like that. So also researching that, also looking at when I was looking at stuff on Palo Verde, I also found this. So basically, there was a small leak there that was discovered, and it's going to cost like 10 to 15 million to fix. So I can see taxes probably going up because of that. So this is just I don't know if you'll be able to hear the video, but this is a little bit of it. Okay, so that's enough about that. I don't know if it came through or not, but we're gonna find out once I replay this. And I also did some more searching on like EMP effects, and it's just I don't know. It just kind of shocks me how when people describe, like, give every detail of what can happen if a person were to launch a nuclear attack against the United States. It's like they draw them a diagram. It's like, really, I think they could probably can figure this out themselves, but why must we always like give every little detail, like of where it should be deployed, what would happen if they deployed over this area? Like, it's just crazy. I'm just looking at this kind of a little picture of what it would look like, but they just give them like a whole synopsis here of what it would look like if they would launch an attack. I'm like, oh, let's just give them a little diagram so they don't have to work that hard. And this is also some images I found. Here's another one, basically what would happen with the nuclear EMP attack. So this is how it would look. It would just kind of, put everything into chaos. No military, no electrical, no transportation, no communication. And then this is how we would look after it happened. I thought you guys would like that picture there. But that's my week 6 summary. Not week 6, week 13. Oh my God, I'm losing days. But that's it in a nutshell.